Tracy, and I had a question for you. As we get older, especially as women, the nighttime routine is getting crazy long. Okay. So when you're young, you just kind of brush your teeth and go to bed. Okay. But when you get older, you start gradually adding in little routines. So now it takes me forever to get ready. Okay. First step, take off the contacts. That way you can see up close and see what you see in the mirror. Okay. Then you're not going to believe what I saw in the mirror the other day. Check this out. Right there, growing out of my chin. Yuck. I couldn't believe it. I, first of all, didn't notice it. Like, why didn't I notice it sooner? Why did nobody else tell me it was there? Maybe their eyes are as blind as mine, but I was like disgusted. So, anyways, now I've got to really start paying attention. So, the order of operations for nighttime readiness for bed is you have to take out your contacts so you can see all what's going on with your face. Pluck your eyebrows, pull out any other stray hairs that are there. Floss your teeth, brush your teeth, wash your face, put on your whatever stuff. I have like 3 different things I put on at bedtime. And then, get in bed, put on lotion on your hands, lotion on your feet, chapstick on your lips. It's like finally you're ready to pick up your book and read. So just kind of crazy, but I just wanted to warn you guys, take off your contacts first thing when you're getting ready for bed and do a little mini hair inspection. So have a great day, you guys.